Okay, finding a leak in a hot tub. First thing you do is take the panel off where the equipment is. You can just look, start filling it. It was half empty, so I'm just filling it back up. So you just start taking the sides off. So the first one you're going to do is here, and the power's off. So you just look at everywhere with it off. Look on the ground. So you can see right here, water's all right there. So I'm going to take that panel off right there, so I can kind of see that way. Then you can look at where other spots were leaking. Now this is the reason why I don't like this tub here. Controls are facing in. Worst idea ever. And the reason, because it'll always leak. As you can see here, see the color of the foam here? Easiest way to figure out if there's a leak or was a leak, it's darker. So all that darker foam, it's right around the whole thing. So I know this has been leaking. So I got to redo that. So I got to pop that off and re-silicone it. And you just look at everywhere else. And you can always tell leaks too is this part. Now this looks like it's this, and it's on the top. So more than likely you have to replace this gasket that's in here, O-ring. Same as this crusty stuff, somewhere it's been leaking somewhere. So right now it's off, and I gotta figure out exactly where it's leaking. So same as there. So it's probably another gasket there that's leaking. Water's coming out there. Took out all the sides. Still wet on the bottom. I don't see any visible leaks. This thing's foamed like crazy. So what we're going to do is get it filled up, turn it on so it creates that pressure in the pipe, and we should hear it at least, and then we can pinpoint it that way. Okay, we're going to turn it on. One leak right there. So that's leaking, like I told you earlier. So that's leaking. Another way you know the seal's leaking is this spray. So it's leaking right there. There you go, we found it. So it helps filling it up and looking for it. So you just dig at it. So we'll see at the top. So it's the waterfall. It's coming out the waterfall. It's all around. Yeah, you need to make sure that the lines are, yeah, so there you go. It's the waterfall. If you want to know how to fix the waterfall, I'll link it down below in the description.